What is going to happen next on JASMY? Is this asset set to crash, or are we still going to push hard and get a nice continuation from here? Well, in today's update, I'm simply going to answer all of this and show you what we can expect next using Elliott wave. That is a technical analysis, so we can predict the next move. And you will see how crazy this is, because on the Discord server, we have been able to run the market, really. This was absolutely insane. Really, if you want to stay updated on all of this, on this JASMY account and everything, well, you can see I was clearly telling you that I was buying every single low right here. I was showing you that I was buying this, and that I was defending really my position here. And well, all the time it hit that, I was buying even more and defending all my positions. And so from here, we've got this nice bar, we got the rise really, and this really nice increase in price. And also before this, we was buying that bottom earlier, and all of this was posted on the Discord server live at the time. No financial advice as always. I will show you really where was my limits, everything really, and so we did got the bounce from here. So if you want to stay updated really on this lower time frame, know exactly what to expect, all the scalps to take on this asset, well, just join the Discord server. Everything is for absolutely free. Just join and enjoy. That's it really. On this being said, let's go now on the medium time frame, I mean on the high time frame wave count, by the way. So what we have first of all here is this. We have either an ABC zigzag, either an impulsive. So for the moment, I'm going to make it really easy. I'm going to take simply the impulsive, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's not too complex. And if you want to make such prediction, by the way, well, for example, here the way forward into cover next was looking for the buy zone. This is where we've got the limits. We did got a bounce, was looking next for the 5 waves. This 5 waves bring us with a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, and now we are above really. If you want to make such predictions, well, you just have to learn Elliott waves. I'm saying this simply because on the 4th of March on the website, you will get a brand new Elliott wave course on the MOONCHARTS website. If you go in the account page, you can find the calendar here. The first 4 courses, that is more than half of the course, will be for absolutely free. And in addition to this, you will get a contest where you will be able to get some rewards by playing the contest, really. And then we continue with some more complex stuff about Elliott wave with Apprentice, with 2 more contests with, of course, even better rewards and everything. But otherwise, you can join absolutely for free. And the 4 first courses really represent more than half of the Elliott wave course, and you will be able to play a contest. So if you want to learn Elliott waves, if you want to know how to make such predictions, well, you've come to the right place. Just go and sign up on the MOONCHARTS website, and on Monday, by the way, next week, you will get the first course available on the website. And every Wednesday there is a Q&A session, so I can answer your questions on the course if you have any questions really. Anyways, so now let's look at these 5 waves here. So 1, 2, 3, or 5. Into the wave 1, we have 5 waves. Into the wave 3, we have 5 waves. Into the wave 5, we have 5 waves. Into the wave 2 and 4, we have a correction, so a triple wave. So now we just have to look for the 5 waves in there, and this is simple as that really. Again, into the wave 1, we have 5 waves. Into the wave 3, we have 5 waves. And into the wave 5, we have 5 waves. Now we are into the wave 3. How do we find the targets of the wave 3? We simply need to take the extension tool right here, okay, or on the left. You first click on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and the third click will go on the wave 2 bottom. From here, you just have to add the wave 3 target, so to speak here, 1 to 1 extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, and the maximum target, the 423.6. These are the targets really of the wave 3. Now, we do not need to add all these targets. We can just keep the last one because we are on the last one. I'm gonna simply now remove the log scale, and so well, these are the wave we can look for right now, okay? The thing is now, are we done with this wave 3 top, or can we still push a bit above even if we hit this 423.6 maximum target? Well, to determine this, we just have to look at this smaller wave into the wave 3. So let's go on a bit of a lower time frame, like the 1 hour, for example, and let's go and add the log scale again. So we are looking for the wave 3 here, okay? I'm gonna remove the high time frame wave so it's a bit easier to understand. And so, well, what's the start of this? To complete this white wave 3, it's simply here, a wave, oops, wrong stuff, this one here, a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and so we have to complete these 5 waves to complete the white wave 3. We need to get a 5 waves, full 5 waves to complete the wave 3. So here, in that case, we have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4. The wave 4 we have been able to buy, as I said. I really share it with you where was my limits, and so we did got the bounce from here. And next, we will simply buy, you know, this next retracement of why I was buying here every single low, and then I was defending my position here, so I was surprised the price is not moving down. Like really, every single low, this was absolutely crazy. It's really nice. So from here, in that case, we just need to count, as I said, so 5 waves in the wave 1, 3, and 5. So if we have to count 5 waves in the wave 5, well, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So we need to count a wave 4 and another wave 5, right? So I'm going to jump into some really smaller wave now, so it can be a bit more complex if you're really starting with yellow wave, but again, join the Discord server. All of this really was posted limited time, really limited time before, as you can see, I mean, we hit the target here, but I showed with you where was my limits. So we did got the bounce, and so next I was sharing with you all the small waves, so this bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 that you can see, so these first 5 waves that are forming a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 to complete the yellow wave 5. So these 5 waves are simply the following ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the thing is now we have to get 5 waves in the wave 1, in the wave 3, in the wave 5. So here we have the 5 waves into the wave 3. Yes, we've got this nice wave 1, this nice wave 2, another wave 1 to here. This right here is the start of the impulsive to complete the orange wave 3. Okay, we need to get 5 waves into the wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 waves complete that orange wave 3, and then we have this wave 4, and then we have this wave 5, and these orange 5 waves complete the blue wave 3. It's like Russian dolls. Simple as that, really. Okay, and all of this was posted limited time before we even rise on the Discord server, so make sure to join it. It's free and you have some really good TAs there, not gonna lie. So in that case, we have completed the wave 3 top. How do you find the wave 3 turrets? As always, you place you take the extension tool, you first click on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and the third click will go on the wave 2 bottom. The most common target for the wave 3 is the 1618. We have the 120 extension and the 1618. And so from here yesterday, well, I just posted everything really limited time again. As you can see here, I just told you here, hey, if we go hide here is a wave 3 turret, but otherwise this is a most common turret, and then we can look simply for the wave 4. And so now we are into the wave 4, and as I said, be aware of the 50% below, because this coin absolutely love to do some big wave 4, even if I've done some normal wave 2, so we can absolutely go and touch here the 50%. As soon as we don't lose this, it's absolutely fine. So for now, we can look for this nice wave 4. Again, how to find a wave 4 turrets. First click with the retracement tool on the wave 3 top, second click on the wave 3 root, and you add here, so here the 38.250%, and this becomes the buy zone. And so we have this nice possible long trade setup here for a new high. So now the thing is, what are the targets of the wave 5? Where are we going to take profit? What price are we going to expect high here? Well, I'm gonna go on the 1 hour here. I'm gonna hide these waves so we don't have too much stuff on the chart here. And well, we just have to take the extension tool. First click on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and the third click this time will go on the wave 4 bottom. So let's take the case that the bottom is in. We can still go a bit more down. For people that want really to get everything, well, we do have a small support down here that will be really nice to go touch this. Well, we just go, touch in here, and we get the bounce and get the nice rise for the wave 5. This will be absolutely lovely to go into these levels there. Now, yeah, we'll see if we can get it. But yeah, so do we have this nice possible long trade here with a nice wave 5, and so to find a wave 5 turret, first click wave 1 root, second click wave 1 top, third click wave 4 bottom. From here, what are the wave 5 turrets? Well, first target is a 618, then we have the 120 extension, then we have the 1618, and the maximum target to 618. So to speak, these are the take profit of that long trade, and so these are the targets where we can expect a reversal for the price to reverse, and to reverse for what? Well, you can see on the chart really for the green wave 4. Why is the green wave 4? Simply because these blue 5 waves here, the blue wave 5, will complete, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, or 5. We need to get 5 waves into the wave 5, so this will complete the yellow wave 5, and this yellow wave 5 complete the green wave 3, because wave 3 we need to get 5 waves. And so once we have completed this wave 3, we just need to look for this green wave 4, and next again the green wave 5. So this will become these are the targets really if again the bottom is in. If we go to the 50%, we're gonna lower everything, and so this will become the targets. If you want to stay updated, again, join the Discord server. I'm gonna post everything limited time because I'm trading this asset, and well, I'm a day trader, so I'm gonna trade it every day if I have to, if the data are good and everything. So the thing is, now let's take the case the bottom is in. We go, for example, here. So well, let's take a case that we go to the 50%, as we have some few more support down there. So to the 50%. In that case, what is the most common target here? Well, it's the 120 extension. Why? Because here the target before brings us with a wave 5 truncated at top before the wave 3 top, and it is less probable in terms of probabilities. So we look for the 120 extension for the moment, but keep in mind there are still some targets higher if we have to make some crazy push-ups. So 120 extension, from here we can look for all of this to be done, and then we can look for what? The wave 4. So again, how do you find a wave 4 targets? You pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top we're going to do down to the wave 3 root, or as always you just have to do the opposite if you did not reverse the tool in the tool settings. And so from here you add the following targets. So 23.6, 31, 32, the MC fib, and then the 38.2. Now, as you understood, I think, the wave 4 absolutely love to go between the 38.2 and the 50%, even if we have done a normal wave 2. So add the 50%, and so all of this will become the buy zone. On the Discord server, when we are going to retrace from here, I need to get this last push up to get more data, to get some more volume and everything. When we're going to retrace from here, I'm going to give you the levels, the most probable targets where we can look for this bounce to happen. Such as, for example, well, this bottom and all of this really, I gave you on the Discord server, live in the time, and all of this again for free. So once we have done this wave 4, well, we're going to look for another 5 waves to the upside to complete this wave 5. And so once we have done this wave 5, well, this wave 5 will simply complete the wave 3, the white wave 3 here. And so once we complete this white wave 3, well, we're simply going to look for again the wave 4 retracement, and then again the wave 5, and this wave 5, these 5 waves, what 5 waves here are simply going to complete the green here, okay, the green wave 3, and then we can look for another wave 4 and for another wave 5. So yeah, that's the plan on this asset at the moment. If this is a bit too complex, well, watch maybe a couple of times because I'm really trying to make it easier. I cannot really make it more easier than this. If you have any questions, well, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below. If you're following the trades, you're making some money with this, you're following all of this, because really I posted everything live in the time on the Discord server, like all my trade, where was my limits. I was telling you that I was defending my position. I was showing you really that I was defending my position, and you know, before even I start defending my position, well, if you're making money with all of this, the way you can thank me is just by smashing the likes, really, subscribing to the channel, and write some comments down below. This helps as always a lot with YouTube algorithm, so thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, don't forget to go and sign up on the website if you want to learn your waves and make such predictions. Well, you will be able to do it by yourself next if you learn from the course I'm going to upload on the website starting on Monday. And of course there is a contest also for absolutely free. You can play with the new Elliott wave course. So yeah, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.